as we felicitate and welcome Shri Anand Sham Agarwal ji, who is Managing Director of Aaj Ka Anand Papers Limited. Thank you.
I welcome you all for this first national conference on media and journalism, which is jointly held by MIT
Keep the mic closer to you.
World Peace University and Pune Union of Working Journalists. I have been asked to speak on the challenges of media owners and road ahead, where I have divided my speech into two parts, first being the challenges and the second one, the road ahead. While running any newspaper industry, the owners have to primarily focus on five areas of the business, and they are editorial, production, circulation, marketing, and finance. No newspaper can run successfully without all the five in proper collusion with each other. Out of all the five areas, the first four being editorial, production, circulation, and marketing are comparatively easy to manage or could be outsourced to some extent. But finance is the most important aspect of this business and the biggest challenge for the media owners. I think all my friends will agree to it. Particularly in last 5 years, the production cost of newspapers is constantly increasing, whereas the advertisement revenue is steadily declining. Naturally, it has become more challenging to bridge the gap between income and expenditure of this business. Friends, as you are all aware that newspapers are the only products in the world which are sold less than its production cost. Nowhere in the world is the newsreader so heavily subsidized by the advertiser as in India. Every cost increase is passed on to the advertiser, and every cost associated with the increasing circulation is also borne by the advertiser, putting a heavy burden on him. Ever increasing advertising rates are one of the major reasons why advertisers are shying away from us. Perhaps the time has come to look hard at the collective increasing of selling price of all the newspapers in the country. I think the media business can be well defined with a theory of three P's, which are passion, paisa, and patience. My father has always said that this business cannot be run without passion, but it has to be supported by paisa, and you have to have a patience of years long. It can be 10 years, 50 years, 20 years, so many years. You have to have patience. Without that patience, you cannot run this business. So if we follow these three P traits, then only we can do this business, we can remain in this business and grow. There is no alternative other than these three P's to success in this media. Now I come to the second part of my speech containing the road ahead for the media owners. Leaving aside the conventional sources of revenues being advertising or circulation, we need to look beyond these and explore new areas of revenues to keep the business afloat. We can make optimum utilization of huge printing infrastructure by printing job works for added revenues when the machines are idle during daytime. We can experiment with some digital outlet and try any platform or format to go with our content which we are building in-house. We can build up some audience, create the credibility, and find the ways to build revenues from it. We can also undertake some social economic awareness events for public at large, having both social as well as revenue generating source for the company. Such activities can help in directly increasing the bottom line. Last but not least, to increase the cover price, let us have the confidence that we make a product which merits a good selling price, selling product. Friends, there are many challenges and we need to find answers to them by introspection. Keeping this in mind, this conference has brought about many good issues concerning our industry and helped us brainstorming on such a large format. I'm sure this shall help us find a proper way to move forward. I thank all the organizers of this conference for inviting me and giving opportunity to speak, and thank you for a patient hearing. Thank you.